Alright, welcome to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to talk about the filter array method. Okay, so basically before I show you how it works, I would just like to say that the filter array method creates an array filled with all the elements that pass a function, okay, that pass a test which is usually provided as a function. So let me just get practical here. So basically in this page here we have an array of ages, okay, 16, 18, and so on and so forth. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a filter array method to check if the ages are greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18. In other words, if the person is an adult. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'll just come here first and I'll create a variable called result, because I just want to separate things, and I'll say that it's equal to ages dot filter. Okay, and then I'll come down here and I'll create a function. Okay, so this function is going to check if, so this should be is adult. Okay, and inside of this function I'm just going to pass an age parameter. Okay, and then I'll come out here and I'm just simply going to return age that is greater than or equal to 18, and then that's all. Now what we'll do next is we'll pass this is adult function as a callback into this guy here, and then we would console.log the result. So I'll come down here and I'll say console.log, and I'll just paste in that result, and then I'll save. Now let's run the function and see what happens. So you see here that it returns 3 items or 3 values from the array, and 18, 34, and 33, because these are the array items that passed this is adult function test. Okay, so basically that's one way we can work with the filter array method. Okay, so let's see another use case for the filter array. So I'm going to come and I'm going to paste in an array of numbers here. So I'll just paste that in, and basically I'm going to use the filter array to check for the even numbers in this array of numbers. So basically the way we do that is I'm just going to say const, and I'll just say even, and I'll set it to be equal to numbers.filter, and this time I'm simply going to use an arrow function. So here I'll specify an item, or I can just say num, for example, and I'll set it to be equal to, because we are using an arrow function, and then I'll just return something. So return, and let's just say num, right, which is a single number. We're going to use modulus 2 and say equal to 0. Okay, so I expect that you already know the basics, so let's just console.log. So I'll come here and console.log num, not bomb but num, and let's save this. Okay, so now let's run this and see what we get. Oh, we get an error. So let's see. Num is not defined. Let's see, why is num not defined? Oh, we are supposed to console.log even, not num. Forgive me for that. Okay, so I'll just run, let me just clear the console and run that again, and as you can see we get the log of the first is adult function, and then we get the log of the second even function that brings out all of the even numbers. So it creates a new array, and then we get all the even numbers inside. So basically this is just an overview of how we can use the filter function. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and to leave a like on this video. Alright, see you in the next one. Okay, I see